Alright, finally we are in Tiu Pupus waterfall. Woo! How? It's behind us. To Tiu Pupus waterfall. Is this a first time?
It is my first time here.
Okay. And when you first see the waterfall, what do you think?
I think it's well enclosed. That's
Wow.
beautiful on that. But let's go
Let's
beyond
go.
the tree.
More close, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Yeah.
And you swim here.
Yes?
It's not too cold.
Not really. But
See, that's
it's good to swim here. But we're the good.
Yeah, near the falls.
Yeah. Alright, finally we are in Tiu Pupus waterfall. Woo! How? It's behind us.